Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Kia Soul key fob. First, identify your specific Kia Soul model and the type of key fob you have. This ensures you purchase the correct replacement parts. Often, the issue is just a dead battery. Replacing it is a simple, cost-effective fix. You'll typically need a small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry open the fob casing and access the battery compartment. Make sure to note the battery type, usually a CR2032, before purchasing a new one. Once you have a new key fob, it needs to be programmed to communicate with your Kia Soul. For some older models, you might find a do-it-yourself programming sequence in your owner's manual, often involving a series of ignition turns and button presses. However, many newer Kia Soul fobs require specialized equipment. In these cases, a certified automotive locksmith or a Kia dealership will have the necessary tools to program your new fob correctly and efficiently. Don't forget about the emergency key blade. Most modern Kia Soul key fobs have a small, hidden physical key that slides out. This blade is crucial for manually unlocking your car door if the fob battery dies or if there's an electronic issue. When you get a new fob, you'll need to take this blank blade to a locksmith. They can precisely cut it to match your vehicle's existing key, ensuring you always have a backup entry method. To extend your key fob's life, avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures or strong magnetic fields, which can interfere with its electronics. It's also a good practice to replace the battery every 2 to 3 years, even if it's still working, to prevent unexpected failures. If you encounter persistent issues, consult a professional. And hey, while you're upgrading your gear, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.